after I got the bobber bobbed, took the back fender off. I'll leave a link up here to that video. I was lucky enough to get my hands on a StreetPilots taillight. These are pretty cool. This is the Gen 1, so it doesn't have the sequential lights, but it is really well made. Maybe even over-engineered. This thing is nice. Solid built aluminum and all the electronics in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on, take the Shrek ears off, and have this under my seat with my license plate there. So it's a little bit different from what I've seen other setups. A lot of times people have their plate down on the side. I just like it down here right now. I've had it on the side before, so this is where I'm going to go with my Combustion Industries tail tidy with this light. So let me get everything set up and I'll walk you through the steps. Should be pretty easy. All right, first thing we need to do is remove the seat. I've already taken the bolts off from the bottom, and then you just pull it back. These bolts here and here are 6mm Allen. So take those off, set it on the side. We are also going to use a 6mm Allen to take the support, the seat support off. Notice that the bolts are different sizes. Short ones go in the front, long ones go in the back. And now, this is loose. That's the good news. Bad news is we need to get this piece, the battery cover, off as well. I think that is also, yep, 6mm. So we'll start removing that. And then to get this part off, you lift up and then lift up on the tank a little bit. So I'm going to do this with one hand. And that just tucks in there. So the reason it's so twisted is because I've got my wires running, as you can see, from this down through here, just to tuck them away nicely. So I'm going to get this all unplugged, and then I will join you back. All right, so I've got the StreetPilots tail light transferred over to my Combustion Industries license plate bracket, all mounted to my solo seat bracket. And then I've got the wires, as you can see, running through the battery cover. So what I'm going to do is get this under here, get this ready to attach, but I need to tuck my wires in first and plug them in to get everything working without dropping everything. So I'll walk through what I've got. So this is all plug and play, which is awesome. These just plug in right here and here. I've got, the cool thing about the Combustion Industries license plate bracket is you can use your factory license plate light, which also plays nicely with the StreetPilots light because it plugs right in. So this is like perfect. Two different companies. Keeping everything plug and play is a joy to work with. So shout out to both of these guys. Now I just need to tuck everything up under here, scooch this back in place, and then start bolting down. So let me join you back in a second. All right, everything's back together. Really, I just needed a 6mm Allen head to do most of this, which is kind of nice. Yeah, it's pretty much plug and play. Really easy, especially once you've already torn your bike down this far, because there's not, you know, I've already got it fenderless, but it looks really good. So what I will do, I will put, while I'm talking now, I'll just put some video of what it looked like before we did this, with the lights going a little bit, and what it looks like now with the lights going same way. And yeah, so it's pretty cool. If you got any questions, hit me up in the comments, like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, because people don't always get notified even if you're subscribed. And I've got new content coming for a whole host of bikes and cars. So all right, cool. Shout out to StreetPilots and also Combustion Industries for making some really cool stuff. So all right,